Check the temperature logs on screen 3.
All parameters are stable, Doctor. Batch codes confirmed.
Check the synchronization on Module 7.
Reading stable, increasing output by 5%. Every batch of natural rubber latex is sampled and tested for over 20 data points, including elasticity.
The raw natural rubber latex undergoes rigorous testing for viscosity and elasticity, ensuring medical-grade quality before production. Natural rubber latex is the foundation of the process, rigorously tested for purity and elasticity before it ever reaches the production line.
The chromatography shows the main peak is stabilizing right here.
Okay, so we can finalize the concentration at 15 ppm for the strawberry essence.
We have a slight deviation on the texture analysis here at position C.
Adjusting the polymerization flow rate now, the system is compensating.
Keep an eye on the dipping tension on line 2.
Already sent the adjustment. It's stabilizing.
Look at the consistency here on the chromatogram.
Wow.
It's very stable. The strawberry compounds are exactly as expected.
We are seeing high consistency across the samples in the aroma chambers.
The chromatography shows the compound levels are stable.
The quality rate dipped slightly on line 3 at 1400 hours.
I see it. The defect statistics show a pattern with the new component.
Quality rate holding steady at 99.8%.
Acknowledged. Defect statistics remain within tolerance.
Look at the flow rate here. We're exceeding the projected output by 20%.
And the energy consumption is down by 5.
Look at the flow metrics here on the tertiary filter.
Optimized across the board, the sustainability goals are being met.
The tensile strength on this one is holding up well above the threshold.
Yes, I'm seeing the same. The aroma profile is stable. I'll input the data now.
What about the yellow compound? It seems slightly...
The climate chamber data confirms the stability at 30 degrees Celsius.
And the flavor profile remains consistent.
If we increase the saturation on the logo here, it should match the metallic foil.
Yes, that looks much better. Let's go with that.
I think the logo placement needs to shift slightly to the left here to match the grid.
Okay, I see that. And maybe we can increase the font size on the ingredients list.
The omega-3 absorption rate is significantly higher in this formulation.
And the long-term heart health benefits are clearly demonstrated.
As you can see on the holographic display, the new design significantly reduces potential risks.
The new health seminar looks interesting.
Yes, and we've nearly hit the water reduction target.
The turnout for the community drive was fantastic this year.
It really was. Are these new figures for the health initiative?